So I'm going to start with my knots underneath and pulling it up from the bottom. And then stem stitch always has that little stitch at the beginning to start with. So back up to the top. And then we can stitch forwards and back to the end of the last stitch, and then let go of the lead thread. I'll do another one. Throw your lead thread to the left, take a stitch down, back up to the end of the last stitch, holding the lead thread out of the way so that you can see where you're coming, and then pulling it through. And that will create an infill. You want to fill in the whole of the donkey.